bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Here's a quick fix to stop your toaster's clicking. Unplug it and clean out crumbs, which can cause uneven heating and louder clicks. Then, spray the latch mechanism lightly with a food-safe lubricant to reduce friction and quiet the clicks instantly. Regular cleaning not only stops noise, but also keeps your toaster running smoothly.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.